Hi everyone. So I know some people have had difficulties in figuring out how to use the braces on these extended diagram problems. So I just wanted to make this really short video to show you how to get those braces. So here our argument says the conditions under which many food animals are raised are unhealthy for humans. To keep these animals alive, large quantities of drugs must be administered. These drugs remain in the animal's flesh and are passed on to the humans who eat it. Well, the conclusion to this problem is one, because the main point is that the conditions under which many food animals are raised are unhealthy for humans. So that's what the person is trying to convince us of. And then if we look at 2 and 3, neither of those by themselves is the kind of information that would lead you to think that it's true that the conditions under which many food animals are raised are unhealthy for humans. Not only do you need to know that the animals have large quantities of drugs being administered to them, but you need to know that they remain in the animal's flesh, right? If the half-life of the drugs is short enough that by the time we eat it, it's gone, then that wouldn't be a problem. So we got to know that the drugs are going to remain there. So that means we need the braces to show that those statements 2 and 3 are working together. So how do we do that? Well, our original problem that people face is they look for the braces sign here, but it's not available for us. We just have our arrow and we have the bracket that lets us tell us when one statement says that 2 other statements are true. Well, what we do to get the braces is we click one arrow and then we click it a second time. Now it allows us to have the braces option. If we just do it once, it doesn't give us the brace option here either. Unfortunately, they really don't give you instructions or a step-by-step process to indicate that you need to have these 2 arrows to be able to get the braces options, but this is how you go about getting it. So again, we have our conclusion. I hit on the arrow. Well, I'll just get rid of this real quick. So we start off with our conclusion. I hit the arrow once, no braces that I can choose from, but I click it a second time, and now I do. So I can just click 2 here, I can click 3 here, hit the braces sign, and now I've got it set up and diagrammed the way that I wanted it to be diagrammed, the way that it needs to be diagrammed. So we grade it, and we see that's correct.